So the points are controlled, or the points display is controlled through the point style. So currently we see a basic point style that is displayed as an X, as a red X. So if I'm to go to the point groups here at the prospector on the left, we can see a default point group called the all points that has been created, and here I can check the point style that is assigned to these points. So I'll click on the all points point group and right click and go to properties, and here at the information tab, as you can see, the point style is called the basic. So there are different other kinds of point styles. Let me select a different point style to just see how it displays. So I will click on the bound point style and then apply and click on OK. So right now all the points have changed their style into this bound style. Also, we can include labels for these points. So if I right click again at the all points point group and go to properties, down there next to the point style, we can see the point label style. Currently we do not have any labels for the points. We can select a label style, either description only, elevation and description. Allow me to start with description only. I will start with that, and let me revert back to the basic point style. Let me apply. As you can see, the points display in that point style, which is the basic style, and the description of that point, which is the, for this particular point that we are seeing here, is the EG, has been displayed. So let me go back to prospector here again, and left click on all points, right click, and then select properties. We want to select a different point label style. So let me select elevation and description. Apply. Okay. And there you see the elevation of this point and then the description. And these labels can be controlled by the annotation scale. So if you want to see them smaller or bigger, you can change the annotation scale down here. If you want them smaller, you can change to something smaller, and you can see they've changed in size. Next, we'll cover the creating point groups.